Hey boss ladies, I just wanted to remind you that Texture Press makes some of the best scalp oil you may have ever experienced. But that's not what I want to talk to you about today. I'm about to put y'all up on game. You ready? Alright, cool. So we're going to talk today about pigmented shampoos and conditioners. Some of you may or may not have heard of pigmented shampoos and conditioners. What they really just are colored shampoos and conditioners that deposit color into the hair, which really just basically means that it leaves like a tone or a surface color on the hair. Why do we need it and how do we make it? Glad you asked. So your colorist can actually mix some leftover color with some shampoo or some conditioner so that you can take it home. It's really important, I feel like, for you to use pigmented shampoos and or conditioners at home, because what it does is it allows you to keep up with your color maintenance at home at a super low cost. It'll save you money. It'll save you time. And what it'll also do is it'll allow your color to fade slower, which is really important because if you want to save time and you want to save money, you don't want to have to be in the salon booking with your colorist like every 6 weeks. That's pigmented shampoos and conditioners is a way for you to avoid those super repetitive short or like back-to-back appointments, right? So pigmented shampoos and conditioners are really great for allowing you to maintain your color at home. They will save you some time. They will save you some money. They will also allow your color to fade slower. And because it's mixed with shampoo and conditioner, some people have asked like, oh, is it really, like, is it dangerous? Is it safe for me to use at home? When you add water, oil, shampoo, conditioner to color, it dilutes it. And because it's really just it's just depositing color, that really just means that that color from the color chemicals or bonds from that color formula is really just going to sit on top of your hair, right? So it's not penetrating the hair shaft. So it's really safe for you to use at home. I recommend for all of our boss ladies to ask their colorists to make them some pigmented shampoo or conditioner. They can really just do that by taking some of the leftover color that they use on you, adding it to some shampoo, adding it to some conditioner, so you can keep up with your maintenance at home. Okay? Okay.